My name is Nicole. I live in Memphis, Tennessee. I'm 37 years old and I've been living with HIV for 13 years. I've been in treatment for probably about 10 years, on and off. It's a lot of times I got off my meds. I sought treatment because I wanted to live a healthy and productive life. Treatment has changed my life because I'm able to do normal things. I'm able to have the energy I need and work my job and like walking and reading and selling my merchandise and ministering to other people. I can just live and not worry about, normal sicknesses. I'm healthy. It's not a death sentence. A lot of people want you to think it's a death sentence. It's not a death sentence. If you don't seek treatment, you can easily get sick and your immune system can't fight off infections and you will eventually die. And so, yes, you need to be on treatment. You need to get the treatment that you need so you can live. I found out about Ryan White through a friend of mine, and they have wonderful services, and they have helped me in a lot of ways. I use the dental service, I use the insurance for my meds and going to see the doctor. I use the resources that they have at this organization called Friends for Life. They have so many different resources over there, and I just enjoy everything that they have to offer. I would tell them to get treatment. I would tell them use the Ryan White services because they are the best. Know now, live longer.